Now let's look at the fuel rail assembly removal procedure using special tool EN 49248. Before
Hello guys, my name is Alejandro, and today I will teach you how to calibrate the night vision camera. For this exercise we are going to be using the 2020 Cadillac XT6. But remember, you can apply it to any vehicle equipped with night vision camera. You need to do this procedure every time you change the front fender, or you change the camera, or you change the module. The calibration or the learn needs to be done. So I will take you step by step during this procedure listed in the SI. By this, you need this special tool, the EL51470-1. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to set up the night vision camera target. But first, we need to make sure the vehicle is aligned to the tool. The first step we need to do is to put a tape from the rear wheel, then make sure that the distance from the tape to the wheel are the same in both wheels. That assures you that the tape is parallel to the vehicle. Make sure that the tape is extended 1.5 meters away from the front of the vehicle. Now, we need to mark the floor where the camera is located. In this case is here, and we put a mark on the floor. After that, we need to measure the distance of that mark to the tape that we put before. And you can write it on the tape, just as a reference. 52. Why do we need that? Because we need to set up our target at the same distance, the center of the target at the same distance of the night vision camera on the vehicle. So now we know from the target is 1.5, and then far away from the tape is 52. So you need to put that on the center of the target. From the tape is 52. We need to put a mark on the floor and set the target, the center of the target for the night vision camera on that position. Now the tool is set up at the proper distance from the car and to the tape. It's time to put the laser target on the center of the tool. After we set up the laser target, now we need to make sure that the tool is totally perpendicular from the floor. For that, you need to start with the tripod, verifying that the bubble is at the center of the level gauge. And after that, have a look to the tool level gauges and put the bubbles at the middle of it. Now the tool is level. Next step is to measure the height from the laser target. Then, we need to raise the vehicle up to the same height of the laser target in order the night vision camera will face directly to the laser target. We'll turn on the laser, as a reference. Here you go. Now, the night vision camera and the laser target are perfectly aligned. Now it's time to remove the laser target and turn on our tool. First of all, we need to connect the power supply to it, and then switch on. Okay, now the green LED starts blinking, telling you that it's ready to be heated. Press and hold. We can see the red LED blinking, meaning it's heating up. And until it becomes solid green, it means now it's ready. Okay, now we need to connect the vehicle to the SPS. There you go. So now we choose J2534 tool, reprogram, and configure the vehicle. In this case, I don't have a job card. You need to put the job card required. So I just fill for you just to get into the process. And then we choose the K172, which is the night vision camera control module. We are going to click on setup and click next. So here there is some questions asking you if the fascia were replaced or the module in the next question have been replaced. If I choose no in both questions, it will set me off from the calibration. Just for this exercise, I will click that the front fascia have been replaced. Click on next. Please ensure the proper positioning and alignment of the night vision camera alignment tool. And of course we did that before, so we click next. And then it's telling you, do not proceed until the night vision system tool LED indicator is solid green. Right now, it's green. When we click and hold the heater button, we need to wait until the LED comes solid green. That means it's ready to be used. And now, it's doing the calibration. And then it's asking me to clear the DTCs. Okay, as you can see, the procedure is complete. If the calibration fails, a DTC B391E-66 will be triggered. In this case, you need to redo the calibration, okay? Also, you need to verify the alignment tool is okay, camera is installed properly, and all those things that you may skip. That's because the calibration can fail. In this case, the procedure is complete, so I proceed to click next. And finally, finish. Okay guys, that's all. As you see, it's very easy procedure to follow in order to achieve a good calibration for a night vision camera. My name is Alejandro Delgado. Thanks for watching.